So here's how to test the low fire and high fire. This is a two-stage gas valve. You can see we have low and high. And in this particular case, they want the high fire to be 9.8 inches of water column and the low fire to be 4 inches of water column. When this system starts up, it runs in low fire, which is what it's in right now. You can see I have already adjusted to 4 inches of water column. If you back the spring off, it decreases the pressure, and if you run it in, increases the pressure that you'll actually see on the output here. Now we're going to switch it into high fire, which we can do with the jumper wire here. So if I jumper W2 to W1, that'll automatically bring it on high fire. So you can see our fan speeds increased and our gas pressure increased. You can see we're 9.2 and the manual wants us to be at 9.8. So we're going to just dial that in a little bit more to right about, and just a tiny bit of movement here changes it quite a bit right there. Got a little too much. There we go. So there's 9.8. So with it like that, now we know our gas pressures are dialed in correctly on high and low. This is the run in port. I already tested that, and we have about 12.5 inches of water column. This is propane. If you were doing natural gas, you would look at the natural gas numbers, 3.5 for high fire and 1.6 for low fire. And then your inlet gas would need to be a minimum of 4.5 to 10.5 for natural gas and 8 to 13 for propane. So on a single stage valve, this one also happens to be propane. You just have one adjustment, and in this case it's supposed to be set to 10. So I actually need to pull the screw off of there and dial it in just a little bit. So a little bit simpler. You just bring it on in heat, make sure the burners are going, and then adjust your pressure accordingly. So pretty straightforward on single stage. Important to get those numbers all dialed in properly on the unit, otherwise you will not have proper combustion, and it can decrease the lifespan of the furnace and the efficiency of the furnace pretty significantly. So looks like we're going to be good to go here. Just remove our jumper wire, and we can close this port off. Let's just have a little Allen screw, tighten it down, and then it's good to go.